I'm Bonnie Fleshman with Douglas Realty. Today, you can feel like you're on summer vacation. Check out this amazing view at our new townhouse listing at 116 Villa Capri Circle. So this beautiful 1,224 square foot, 3-bedroom, 3 full bath townhome also features 2 balconies for this amazing view. You will have views from almost every room in the house and you will just love it. Let's go in and take a look. You can see this home's been renovated and is absolutely gorgeous. Check out all the wainscoting on the ceilings, the walls, the chair rail, and the beautiful laminate wood flooring. There is a formal living area and a dining room area, and a coat closet, and a balcony with a water view. You'll love making your favorite recipes in this brand new kitchen. New cabinets, granite counters, subway tile backsplash, and beautiful Frigidaire stainless steel appliances, all brand new. So now we're down in the lower level that's completely finished, has its own outside exit. There's a utility closet and a full bath down here. There are 3 full baths in this house and 3 bedrooms. Here's your full bath, all brand new, subway tile shower. And here's your room for your washer and dryer. So here we are in the primary suite. You're gonna see beautiful ceiling fans and ceiling trim, an amazing view of Back River. There are 2 closets and a private bathroom. So the upper level also has 2 more bedrooms, again with ceiling fans and a beautiful hall bath.